guys, do you want to become fluent in English? Then this video is for you guys. And today's video, I'm here to break the biggest myth that many are believing in. So before moving on to the video, just go through this video clip.
O'clock I'll go, doing something, work. Then after come have my bath, and I want to pray for God. Nicely have my nice dinner.
Tell me whether this grandma went to any spoken English class or grammar class. Of course, people like them, many street vendors, you might have noticed here and there, they would speak fluent English than many people. This is because they might be in an environment where he or she might constantly hear the particular language and try to respond in that particular language, and the outcome is here. So they can speak that particular language fluently. This is our case. When you want to learn a particular language, the first thing is that you should be in an environment where you can hear that particular language. If you are not in the environment, what we should do is that we should make our own environment. For example, when you watch many videos in YouTube or some other social media platforms, try to watch many English videos. Similarly, try to install as many as applications, and you can try to communicate with other non-native speakers, so that of course you can improve your English fluency. Consider when we are a kid, whether we went to any grammar class or language learning classes. Of course not. So we would be in an environment where our mother tongue is spoken, and what we would do is that as a kid we try to respond in 1 or 2 words. Then if there is any mistakes, of course our parents or people around us will correct us, and then automatically we try to speak in the particular language fluently. That is the procedure for each and every language. If you are thinking in such a way that only after learning a perfect grammar I would speak in English, I would try to speak in English, then that day would never ever come. Nowadays, people are enrolling into many classes, grammar classes and spoken English classes, but what we are doing is that we are sitting idle and we are taking notes of the particular grammar session or recorded session. After the class gets over, we can't speak in English fluently. This is because we might have become stronger in grammar, but not in the case of our fluency. So the only way to become fluent is by practice. Just listening to grammar videos will never ever help to improve our English fluency. But if you practice English, even though if you make silly grammatical errors, then that's not a big deal. Of course, you can correct one by one. Okay, we are speaking it wrong. We are speaking in the wrong way. So we should change the sentence likewise. We should change the word in this way. So you can change your grammar accordingly if you start to speak. So the first thing that you have to do is that try to install many applications are there in market. So try to install those applications and speak with other English learning persons so that you can improve your fluency. This is the only way, that is, practice is only way where we can improve our fluency. So if you don't have an environment where you can speak English, then this is the only way. If you do this regularly for at least a month, you can notice a vast difference in your English fluency, and I hope that you will kickstart your English learning process from today. If you like this video, do follow our channel English with Reena and give me a thumbs up in the comment box, and just let me know what kind of videos are you expecting in upcoming classes.